Hey everyone, welcome to Toys Unlocked. Today we're looking at the Cat Grooming Car, which is one of the new LEGO Friends sets for 2021. Now, I think this set's pretty cool because for $10 you get the car, you get 2 cats, and you get 2 mini dolls. This is one of LEGO's 4+ sets, which means it's going to be very easy to build, but that's okay. Now, when this set came in the mail, I noticed that it looked really familiar to me. In fact, it reminded me a lot of Emma's mobile vet clinic. So I thought it would be fun to build Emma's cat grooming car today and then give the Emma's mobile vet clinic set to my 4-year-old son for him to build. And then I thought maybe I could compare the two of these. All right, let's get started with the cat grooming car. So I have handed the mobile vet clinic off to my 4-year-old son because he's a much better builder than I am, and I'm going to try my hand at this cat grooming car. Now, because it is a 4+ set, I don't anticipate that it's going to have very many bags or very many pieces. And it looks like I'm right. Just 2 bags and then this body, this stock car. The instructional booklet is pretty slim, which makes me think we're not going to be doing a lot of actual building, but I guess we won't know until we open up the bags. So let's go ahead and do this so we can make our cat. All right, let's start with Mia. So Mia has been coming with a lot of these 2021 sets. I don't know why she's suddenly the most popular LEGO friend. Her outfit consists of a lime green vest top paired with purple shorts, and of course she has the classic red ponytail. The outfit is definitely a choice, but we have to give her props for pairing her electric blue shoes with a blue tank top underneath the green vest. Now let's take a look at the first cat that comes with the set. This is a very large gray cat. It's not a new mold, and it's not my favorite mold either. I don't love the eyes. I know that's printing, not the mold, but the head is really big. It's just not very cute to me. But let's start with the first item that we're actually building in the set. We have a little cash register, and it comes with some money so that whoever's having their cat groomed can pay for the service. Next, we get to build Emma. She's wearing a cute flouncy pink skirt, some purple shoes, and a denim jean vest that is to die for. This is like seriously a really great vest. I wish I had it. Unfortunately, the back of the minifigure has no printing. I would love to see some creases in the denim, just something to give it a little more life, but it is still a very, very cute outfit. Aside from that, I don't think there's anything particularly new about this particular mini doll, except for the fact that she comes with a brand new kitten. Check this out. I think that this mold, which is brand new for 2021, is so much cuter than the gray cat. Sorry, gray cat. I love the color of the dark orange. I love the little pink nose. I love the eyes. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. The only thing that I think is kind of strange is that there's this giant hole in the head. I know it's for accessories, but honestly, the hole takes up like half of the cat's head. So that's kind of strange, but overall, so cute. Those are the 2 mini dolls and little kittens that we get with the cat grooming car. And in order to have a cat grooming car, you of course have to build the car part. So, because again, this is a 4+ set, the building is going to be very, very simple. In fact, the hardest part is probably going to be trying to put these tires together because that always seems to give me trouble. But I'll do my best. Probably because this is such an easy set, I'm actually not really having trouble with the wheels. This is like the first time ever building a car where I'm not struggling. All right, once you have the car on, tires on I mean, you put a little yellow box in the back, and then we start coordinating with a yellow seat cover. Now, this is a pretty simple steering area, I guess, for a lack of a better word. There's no dividing piece that helps keep the car driver in place. There are, however, a plethora of purple pieces, so if you're in the market for purple pieces, pick up this set. Okay, so with our purple trim all added, now it's time to pop some pieces on the back. We have rear brake lights and a tail, because why wouldn't a cat grooming car have a tail? This is LEGO Friends after all. To go with our tail, we have some pieces to represent the ears of the car, and they kind of remind me of like the eyelashes you can put on cars, but way cooler. To top it all off, we have this printed cat face where the headlights are represented by cat's eyes, or I guess the cat's eyes are representing headlights. I don't know. I can't decide if I like it or if it's creepy, but I am a big fan of the cute heart-shaped nose. Okay, now we're just gonna stick a little treat in the back for pets, maybe. Still need to add a little part to the back where a cat can sit and Mia or Emma could drive it around and groom it while they're driving. That sounds unsafe. And there's also a bottle in there, I guess if you need to give the cat milk. before it's groomed. I don't really understand this grooming business. I feel like there's something I'm missing. But it just pops right in the back here over the treat. And then there you go. I do think our car is complete now, so let's put Emma up here in the driver's seat, since she is the one, I guess, who owns the vet mobile grooming clinic, because Mia's too busy at the organic cafe. Now, unfortunately, Emma can't hold the steering wheel, which is kind of a bummer, but you can put the cat in the back and its little eyes peek out over the side, which I think is kind of the cutest thing ever. There's still a little more left of the set. We've built the mobile part of the cat grooming clinic, so now we need to build the stationary part, which I guess is like the beauty parlor aspect of this. The set comes with this really cool mirror piece that has reflective printing on it, which I think is so cute, and then some earpieces on top to kind of mimic the car. The build isn't incredibly detailed, so you just get a hairbrush and some shears to trim the cat's fur. Is that a thing? Maybe trim the nails. I think it has to do with hair though, because no Lego Friends set is complete without accessories for your animal. Now, this actually makes sense because it is a cat grooming clinic. So we get a bow to put on our little gray kitten, and very suave, looking good. For maximum playability, I think I would try to put the little cash register next to the mirror so you can, pay for all of the bows and accessories you're purchasing. And you would buy them from Mia because obviously Emma's out driving the mobile vet. I keep saying vet clinic. It's a cat grooming car. Oh, hey there, Emma. Cats are going to see you coming from like a mile away because your car is so bright, and they're going to make a run for it. So this is the completed set. There's not a lot to it, but you have to keep in mind that it is only $10 US, and it is for 4+. So it's meant to not really be a difficult build, but to be one that you can. Now I just checked in with my son, and he's done building, so we can compare the mobile cat grooming clinic to the mobile vet clinic. Seeing these two cars next to each other just confirms my suspicions that we have like basically a cat set and a dog set. They're very similar otherwise. The cars in both sets have a little area for the pet in the back, and there's some kind of guardrail to keep the pet safe. The backs of the cars are very similar as well. You have brake lights in either red or pink, and then tail pieces. Let's take a look at our Emma mini dolls, since both of these are $10 Emma sets. And Emma's off, grooming cats and taking care of dogs. So their outfits, if I had to choose, I would say that the mobile vet clinic has an outfit that makes more sense to me. It looks almost like she's wearing some kind of fashionable lab coat, whereas Emma the cat groomer just has on a fairly normal outfit that you could pretty much wear anywhere. So one benefit to the cat grooming set is that you do get an additional mini doll. So you have Mia in the set because she's taking a break from the organic cafe, to, keep watch over the shop while Emma is off grooming cats. All right, now let's take a look at the pets that come with the sets. Again, with the cat grooming set, you get an additional figure. In this case, you get a bonus baby kitten, not just the gray kitten. And I'm sorry, but the cats are also much cuter than this pug. I don't like the pug. Well, actually, I don't know. It's grown on me a little bit, but I definitely think I prefer the cats. Now, the final things that we need to compare are these additional playset pieces. Let's start with the mobile vet clinic, which comes with an x-ray table. You have a printed piece that has an x-ray of the pug on it. You have a little, I guess this is like the x-ray or maybe just an exam light of some kind, and then a hypodermic needle. Now, I think this printed, but this is very, very playable to me. Now, I would also argue that being a vet is more dramatic than grooming a cat, so I guess it kind of depends on what sort of drama you want to have in your Lego sets. But these are the two pieces together. You get more items with the cat grooming set, but I think I prefer the printing on the mobile vet clinic. Last but not least, let's take a look at the extras you get. So with the cat grooming set, you get scissors, you get a treat, and you get a bow. And I guess these aren't really extra pieces, but you get a bowl, like a dog bowl, a bone, you get a bottle and a hypodermic needle, again, to administer shots, and you get a hairbrush so you can groom your dog. And those are the two sets. We have the new 2021 Cat Grooming Clinic, which is mobile, and then we have Emma's mobile vet clinic, which is the dog-themed set. I think they're both great sets. I think it probably really depends on whether you're a dog person or a cat person as to which set you would want to purchase. Now, the cat grooming set definitely has more people. It also has more things to play with, but I think the vet set definitely has a charm to it. I really like the printed piece, and if you're a dog person, then you probably want the pug. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. I've had a lot of fun building these two sets and comparing them, and I have a few more sets up my sleeves. We're going to need to take a look at that new Heart Lake shopping mall, that's for sure. So, until we build again, We'll see you then. Bye, everyone.